Alright guys, sitting here with the Cadillac Lyriq, and my Cadillac did not come with a front license plate holder. My original order did have it, but again, I kind of jumped the line and got one early. This one coming from Missouri, Washington State, didn't have one in the order. So what I went and did is I went online and I purchased a bracket from Amazon dealer, and this is called StonSho. So this is no cheap bracket. This bracket's about $97, and ordinarily I just put a bracket on and call it a day, but with this I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then we'll move on to the next subject. Cadillac's beautiful, love driving it, but let's get started on this. So one of the things it comes with, I'm not going to show you how to put the plate on. That's pretty basic. If you can't put that on, you ought not be driving. But it comes with 2 spacers and 2 screws. So, and then you have the bracket itself, which looks like that. You get this little pin here. You pull this pin, and this will come off. Now I'm going to leave that off while I put this bracket on. So this is the one portion that you have to attach to the bottom of the car, and I like it because it's got this little pin, but it needs the pin because they say if you go through a car wash, you need to take it off each and every time you go through a car wash. So hopefully I remember that. All right, I'm going to add a little artificial light under the car just so we can see what we're doing. And let's put the bracket on. All right, so if you look up here, you have this star bit here, and there's one over here. Hopefully I've got you to where you can see them. But I gotta find something that'll take these off. Once I take these off, then we can put the bracket on. That is the tiniest of star bits. All right. All right, so you take those 2 screws out. Then we're going to put this one in right here. Then you're going to put the spacer on it. And you're going to start it back into the little hole there. Then we'll take the other spacer and we'll put it up on top. And there we go. Now all we got to do is tighten this up. Hopefully you guys can see that with my hand in the way. All right, that's now in place. And as you can see, this goes like this. Now let's see if we can grab the license plate. We'll put it in here, and then every time we wash the car, we just need to come in here, reach up under here, pull this and pull the plate off, wash the car, and then just shove the plate back in here. All right, so now we got the plate. Push it in, pull that, and now we're locked into place. That looks really good. So instead of getting the $31 from the Cadillac dealer that goes, I don't know how it goes on it, you get this one for StonSho, and it goes like that. Pretty nice looking, and it's a good half an inch from the bumper, 3/8 of an inch or so, but I like the way it goes on. And what we'll do is we'll just put the camera, set the camera up like this. Here, let's clear our mess. So now what you do, you get out of your car, you come over here, maybe get on one knee, reach under, pull that, pull it off. Now I guess over time you'll get used to kind of where you feel it, but I would think you can go like this, just kind of shove it on there, pull the button, push it on, there it is, locked in. It's a nice way to go. I think over time it's going to be a little bit of a hassle because I wash my car often in an auto car wash because I have well water and it spots too bad to do it here, but I'll just have to get used to it. Or if I'm going through the car wash with the DW, I'll have her do it. All right, guys, that's all I got to show you. StonSho. It's really a nice. It's a really nice license plate holder. I wish that little ring was a little bigger for my big fat fingers, but not bad. Good job. All right, guys, we just have a few more days of the liquid sunshine and cold weather. But we should have some decent weather coming up here soon, and I should be able to get some bike riding in and some other stuff in. I got to get some lawn mowing going. Just a busy cat. Just a busy cat. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. We'll see you on the next episode.